I was really struggle to drill a hole in a stock eye of a front axle, so I decided to drill two holes here, and then I will fabricate a little bit a new eye to put that, to install this front axle in a chassis. It's gonna be a little bit more complicated, but it is what it is. So as you see here, it's gonna look like that. Plate's gonna look like that. It will be connected with a front axle with a 2 bolts, and then I will glue them in or put a little bit of filler to hide them from a view. Oh, we find out later. For now I have to shape it a little bit. So yeah. And because I like to complicate my life, I cut off center bracket because wasn't able to drill in it properly. So now what I will gonna do is connect this piece of bar here from behind, drill it 2 holes and drill 1 center hole to install it on a chassis. Let's find out how's that gonna be. Is that physical? It should be, I think. So first of all, we have to file it inside here a bit more. The pointer is not needed here. Actually, it can go back. It can go back there. Okay. So my idea now is, oh my gosh, camera. Always struggling with this camera. I'm recording with a phone for now. Yeah, my idea is connect this thing here. I need a little bit more. I have to look through the camera. Forgive me that. So yeah, this is it. And this thing's it will be connected from behind. Fill it here with kind of with a glue, with a special metal glue or chemical metal, to make it flat here and looks like in a real tractor. In a real tractor is, I think I did show that already. Yeah, so this part needs to be flat, and it will be. So now it looks like that. This thing will go much closer. And this will be a base for a filler for the chemical metal or any other type of glue which I will use. I sign it here already, so this needs to be cut off. Yeah, it will look so right, I think. Let's find out. Okay, let's try it. It's a really long process. You have to file it, cut it, file it, cut it, check it, file it, cut it, file it, check it, check it, file it, cut it, file it, check it. And this is it. I think I'm happy from the shape now. Roughly, this is how it looks. I'll have to screw it in. Maybe I will use a shorter one. It will be easier. Maybe. Have a much shorter 5mm length, about 1.6 M1.6. A little bolt. It's not a screw. In my opinion, screw. This is the thing. This is the screw. That's the screw. Something with a metric thread is a bolt. So that's the metric thread. M1.6. M1.6. Here's my little screwdriver. So I screw it in, and like I mentioned before, this thing, this area here will be filled with chemical metal to make it smooth and looks like in a real one here. And loads of work waiting for me. Them holes here, I have to make it drill it with a little bit bigger drill to sink this bolt in, make it flat. Next step is cut this thing off, drill it in the middle. I have to point it where to drill it. So for the end of this short episode, I'm preparing a bracket, chassis bracket, which will hold the front axle. It's already on a vise, and I'm filing it and giving it a bit of a shape. So what I'm doing now is this thing here, this little bracket which holding a full axle. Front axle is drying up in here. It's full of epoxy glue, so that takes 24 hours or more to cure it. So once I give it a good shape to this bracket, I'm going to play Farming Simulator 22 on my new pedals, on my new pedal box. Which pedal box looks like that, yeah? That been made for me, and it's working with a Cytec farm bundle. That takes some time, so maybe we're gonna see it. It looks like that for now. Where is it? Here. Looks like that. So nearly same shape as a real one. Let me finish this thing. So roughly this detail is finished. Once it's finished, so now I will install that here. As you see, I made 2 threaded holes in here, M1.6, and this is it. So 1.6 little balls coming in this way. Where's my tweezers? A bit messy in here. Hiding under camera. Under camera stand actually. Yeah. So now this bracket have a front and back. Front there is a bigger hole which is a 1.6, and on the other side is a threaded hole with a M1.6. So I have to remember which one is bigger. We'll find out. I'm assuming this one is a threaded one. Yeah, exactly. So this thing is normal hole, and here we have a threaded one. And now it's on the front, so it's to be connected to a chassis with a screwdriver. To align it in a straight position. I think I'm happy from the results. A little bit of a fighting and it's gonna be alright.